Hello class, welcome back. Recording this video just to address an issue that I had in the previous video. I did get some questions as to how did I update Selenium to the latest version and so on. Okay, so we've already covered that in the beginning of the series where we went to the Maven Central repository and we went and got the version of Selenium from there, but I'm going to go ahead and show you again in this video. Now, the reason I wanted to record this video is to kind of show you how to debug some unexpected issues you guys could be experiencing with your projects. Okay, now we haven't really talked about exceptions yet, or at least Selenium exceptions. We haven't talked about them yet. We will later on throughout this series. Okay, but here's the thing. If you're writing your Selenium code, your Java Selenium code, and your code is compiling fine and your program was running, right, there were no issues, and all of a sudden you may experience some rare exceptions. If it's something incorrect with the locators that you wrote, you'll get like a no such element exception or some other element related exceptions. Okay, but here when I tried to run this program, and by the way, this is happening to me again because I recorded those videos a while ago. Now I'm back recording, and I haven't really touched this project in a couple of weeks. So if I scroll down here, I'm reading the stack trace message and I'm getting a WebDriver exception. Okay, so now the code compiles fine. I didn't make any changes. Everything was working fine last time I ran this. So now the next thing we should do is update the version of Selenium to the latest version, whatever that version may be. Okay, there have been some bugs with some of the versions of Selenium that relate to Chrome driver or just a WebDriver issue in general. Okay, so if I go ahead and run this program right now, you'll see that I'm getting this stack trace message. Okay, so I'm for example, no such driver exception and WebDriver exception. Okay, so if I go to the pom.xml, I was at 4.10.0. So to know what is the latest version of Selenium, always go to the Maven Central repository right here. You're just going to go ahead and type in Selenium Java. Okay, and make sure to click on the Selenium Java dependency right here. So we're going to go ahead and click on it, and you see that the latest version as of this moment right now is 4.15.0. Okay, now if you're watching this video at a later time, then chances are that this would change. You would have a much later version, so go ahead and use that. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to click on it, and I can either copy all of this, okay, or I can just copy the version number. So it's 14.15.0. It's really up to you. I can just come here and just change the version to 4.15.0. okay, and once I go ahead and save this, the project's going to build. I get a thumbs up down here on the bottom right, and now I'm going to go back to the class and I'm going to go ahead and run this program again, and hopefully it runs. So let's go ahead and run it, and you see, there it goes. So the browser opens and the code is doing what we are expecting it to do, and so on. Okay, so you may encounter some of these issues in your projects, right? So first of all, take a step back, read the stack trace message, see if there may have been something wrong with your locator. You wrote some incorrect code, see if your code is compiling. But if everything was working, then double check to see if it's an issue with the version of Selenium that you guys are using. Okay, I hope this video helps. I'll see you guys in the next video.